A depleting fleet and losses at the state-run Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, was also a hot topic at Tuesday's sitting of Parliament. Transport Minister Robert Montague tried to answer questions posed by the opposition, but faced several others that he couldn't provide answers to. TVJ's Herman Green has that story.
On Tuesday, Transport Minister Robert Montague responded to a series of questions previously tabled by opposition spokesman on transport, Michael Phillips. They ranged from the number of functioning JUTC buses that are deployed each day to how the minister plans to reverse the continued yearly losses of the company.
The Jamaica Urban Transit Company has set a target of dispatching an average of 416 buses per day, with an overall average for the year of 425 per day.
He was also asked how he intended to meet this target.
By employing additional mechanics who will work during the nights to increase the rollout. And two, a stricter maintenance schedule is being enforced. Already, the measures are reaping positive results, with daily bus runout for June being between 390 and 405 per day.
But this did not satisfy his opposition counterpart, who pointed out that most of the company's mechanics who were trained to work on these buses had left for better paying jobs in Canada.
You have probably less than 5 trained mechanics now at the JUTC to deal with the fleet. You have been employing mechanics from Jagas to help to subsidize, but they are not trained on these buses of the JUTC.
Mr. Phillips also demanded answers on the parts inventory.
The fact is, today, the JUTC has over $900 million to purchase parts. We have begun so to do that we have even given a consignment to Mobile Metro. And we are purchasing parts, and that is one of the reasons why we are able to extend the prosperity train to the graduates of Jagas, by employing them.
Mr. Phillips was not satisfied. Instead, another slew of questions, including a change in the tire supplier of the company. Previously, the Jamaica Ultimate Tire Company, which is owned by the JUTC, was contracted to supply recapped tires. However, that was changed to buying new tires from another supplier, Tires R Us. Mr. Montague said the change was made because of a ballooning debt to Jamaica Ultimate Tire. So, Mr. Phillips asked, what was the figure of that debt? Who is the head of the new contracted company? What is the mechanic to bus ratio at the company? And is there a challenge in accessing spare parts? Also, he wanted to know what is the active plan to increase the number of buses deployed to meet the projected target.
I will undertake and give him my word that I will do the necessary research and supply him with the answers.
Herman Green, TVJ News.